All right, the second part of the lesson today, again, you'll notice I got this from Kudu Software. It's one of my favorites. We're going to be writing using scientific notation. So those are the two ideas that we're going to do today. So if you want to go download that paperwork there, or it's page number 11, 12, 9, and 10 in your note packet if you still have that. So, all right. So there are two things that we know that we have to have in order to use scientific notation. First thing is that we have to have a number between 1 and 10. Sorry about my writing, it's not really good with this. So we have to have a number between 1 and 10. And then the second thing that we have to do is we have to count the number of exponents. Yeah, that's not any good either, sorry. Count the number of exponents and then we have to move that. Okay, so let's just show you how it does. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers or 6 places before the 6. Okay, or before where the decimal point would be at the 6. So I'm going to write that as 6.0, and then I'm going to have to put the times 10. And now all I need is the exponent for that. The exponent for that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. I moved it 6 places, but this is a small number. And we know from what we used with the exponents the other day that that needs to make it a negative exponent. So that would be 6.0 times 10 to the negative 6th. Again, apologize for the writing. We're just going to have to get used to that. I'll get better as I go along. Question number 2 then, how do I write this using scientific notation? I need it to be a number between 1 and 10. That number would be right there. So that would be 5.4. So that makes that a number between 1 and 10. And now I have to talk about how many places I moved the decimal point. Well, the decimal point is here right now. I moved it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places, and that's a big number, so now we know that that exponent is a positive 6. So that's what we do. So let's try some more. Let's see if I had something like 60. So the decimal point needs to be between the 6 and the O, so that would be 6 times 10 to the, and now the decimal point ordinarily would be here, and we moved it that place. So it would be 6 times 10 to the first. One more time. This would be a decimal point for a number between 1 and 10, so that would be 9 or 9.0. Do I care? Nope, don't care. And then times 10 to the, and so now then that would be, I need to move the decimal point from here to here. So that's 1, 2, 3 places. And because this is a small number, then that's to the negative third. Okay,